Hey everyone, good morning. This is Elisa with WTI. Hey there, coffee lovers. If you're like me and can start your day without a cup of joy, then you'll absolutely adore this espresso maker. It's a game changer because it brews fresh, delicious coffee in just a few minutes. Plus, it's super easy to use and super compact, making it perfect for small apartments, RVs, and even camping trips. You can make it as strong or as light as you'd like. And I love the fact that it's made out of glass and transparent so I can watch my coffee while it's being brewed come to life without burning it. Cleaning it, it's a snap too. The product is also beautifully packaged to prevent damage. This espresso maker is a total winner. It's efficient, easy to use, and made of top-notch materials. LAOION coffee maker will not disappoint you, and that's my point of view.